The quad-lock fork stem mount comes with everything you need to install onto your motorbike. In the box, you will find the mount head, the mount body, small and large clamp spaces to suit different diameter tubes, and a hex key. The small spacer is suitable for tube internal diameters between 12.7mm to 18.5mm. And the large spacer is suitable for IDs of 18.5mm to 24mm. Before you begin, measure the inside diameter of the fork stem tube to identify which spacer you need. Also ensure that the tube is a straight through hole. Remove the mount arm and rubber cap from the mount base. Before inserting the mount into the hole, ensure that the spacers are still located on the ribs found on the tapered section of the mount base and nut. Insert the mount into the tube and tighten the screw. The mount will expand into the tube and become secure. Ensure the mount base is orientated correctly for your desired mounting position before fully tightening. Insert the rubber cap and then reattach the arm. Do not completely tighten just yet, as you may need to adjust the angle of the arm. Remove the white ring from the back of the mount head and attach it to the top knuckle by aligning the teeth and then tighten the central screw. To attach your phone, simply position your phone at a 45-degree angle directly above the mount. Push onto the quad-lock mount until you feel the case engage with the mount and then twist. Before riding, it's important to check the phone and mount do not interfere with any part of your bike during use. Turn your bars from lock to lock to check for any interference and adjust accordingly. Your phone is now securely attached and can only be removed by pushing down on the blue collar and twisting your smartphone. The quad-lock poncho is a weather-resistant case to provide an extra layer of protection from extreme elements. The quad-lock fork stem mount allows you to lock your smartphone in portrait or landscape mode.